Now you have a cluster, and you may deploy something inside this cluster. But if you want to make this deployment available to other users from internet, you need to install the Ingress and the load balancer. Click to install. Next. Fine. We will create a new deployment with Ingress inside our cluster. When it will be ready, we will be able to use Ingress and load balancer. It will create a network load balancer and configure this load balancer to your cluster. And we will use this to expose other deployments to internet. Now Ingress deployment are ready, so we can see the Ingress pods here and can start using it. Additionally, Ingress add a network load balancer and configure it to point to this cluster. So we can go to the cluster configuration page and go to the settings, load balancer tab, and see that we have one load balancer in our cluster. We may have more than one, so we can use select this load balancer and select load balancer type to Nginx. For example, if you will use K3s, then there by default will be installed this traffic instead of Ingress. So we will select another option. So now we can save, and after this Unifie will be able to manage DNS and configure domains for your deployments dynamically.